Merry festive season. I didn't move. I did not move. I breathed.
How kingly am I?
It is like a forehead, isn't it? Big soap energy. Check out that bad boy. I'm super excited. You're excited. So let's just get into it. Welcome to this episode of Lush Reveals, where I will be taking you through this year's festive products, the new products this year, the returning products this year, and I've even got a really exciting retro bubble merch to show you, and a real sneak peek.
First up, Snow Fairy, and as you can see, this range is bigger than ever. We've had a few new additions, such as the foaming body scrub, the Snow Fairy bath bomb right here, and the Groovy Fairy at the front with some pretty cool wings, I might add, and a candle with a reformulation. Just dreamy, dreamy fragrance. Maybe see if you can stock up and stack as many products on your arms like I can. And now let's have a look at some of the other returning Christmas products. First up, Butterbear. It is the festive version of Butterball. It has gorgeous cocoa butter, which is deeply moisturizing for your skin. And you can really smell the ylang ylang oil. Delicious. And if you turn it round, you can actually see little pieces of the cocoa butter. So when you pop this in the bath, it'll melt over your skin and leave it feeling so soft and moisturized and buttery. Next up, it's Sleepy Bear. It has lavender, so it's deeply relaxing. Sleepy Bear also contains oatmeal, which is really, really great for calming and soothing the skin. Snow Dragon contains a lemon myrtle oil, so it's got super citrusy, zesty notes. This actually shares the same scent as Baked Alaska. And on its back, it's got this cute little salt, which helps soften the waters. So it's a perfect little addition to your bathing routine. And it's a perfect size for a stocking filler. Just a little idea there, a little hint. Next up is Sweet Pudding. Sweet Pudding contains Tonka Absolute, so it gives it this really sweet, sugary, delicious fragrance, and is actually almost like the festive version of Sex Bomb. So that's pretty cool. So for all you Sex Bomb lovers out there, this is a little Christmas alternative. Snowdrift contains peppermint oil, so it's great for unblocking those blocked noses and, you know, really opening up your sinuses.
Next, Magical Santa contains Sicilian lemon oil. It has a very citrusy smell. Also contains rosewood oil. I don't know, a little mood boost. Magic Santa's here. Shoot for the stars. I didn't want to do that, I was made to do that. Shoot for the stars. It contains lovely, gorgeous cocoa butter stars, which are very moisturizing when you pop it in the bath. And this bath bomb itself is actually inspired by Van Gogh's Starry Night. Shoot for the Stars contains Brazilian orange oil and bergamot oil, which gives it that infamous honey I wash the kids scent in a bath bomb. Returning bubble bars, we have the Candy Cane. It contains peppermint oil. It's a multi-use bubble bar. It's reusable, so you run it under the tap and you get many baths out of it. And I should say, obviously, that it's peppermint oil, so it's minty. And what's great about this is you can hang it up on the tree, so it's a cute little Christmas decoration. We also have Cinnamon Roll, which contains cinnamon leaf oil, which gives this just amazing, such an iconic seasonal holiday smell. It's warming, you know, it's perfect for those cold evenings where you just need to crumble up a bubble bar, hop in a bath, and just be warmed up. Berry Berry Shower Gel. It's returning. This is almost like a bit of a cult classic, really. I've got to give it a whiff. Like, it's just, oh my God. Yes. I feel like it really awakens your senses. Then the other returning shower gel is Yognog. It's a golden, warming, spicy, delicious shower gel. I think every lushy in the world loves this. It smells sweet, mapley, pudding-like. This shower gel has had a new formulation to improve the suspension of the glitter within the shower gel. So no more will it fall to the bottom. It will be nicely spread out throughout the whole shower gel. How exciting is that? Bouncing Santa. It's a big, jiggling, bouncing Santa. It's got so much energy and excitement, and it jiggles. Bouncing Santa has fresh cantaloupe melon infusion, which gives it this amazing fruity melon smell. Strawberry Santa. It's a body wash. It's got strawberry powder. It smells delicious, and the way you use this is you break off a tiny little piece in the shower and you kind of scrub it into a paste. So it's a bit like how you use Angels on Bare Skin. It's a similar technique to that, and it's a great exfoliator due to the ground rice, So it's really good for exfoliating the skin and also a little bit softening the skin as well. And it smells great because it's got strawberries in it. Cranberry soap. It's like a Christmas cranberry forehead. It's a much softer soap, so it feels like it's gonna really moisturize the skin well too. Do you know what I mean? Snow Bear. This cute little bear contains Tonka Absolute and oat milk, meaning it's super calming for the skin, and it's got a cute little design. It would be perfect, just perfect for a little stocking filler. Oh, smells good. That's a bit of a weird reaction, wasn't it? Baked Alaska. This festive goodness that has been around in the Lush world for such a long time. It has seen many different iterations, styles, looks, but every single time has just smelled as good as the last. With that delicious grapefruit oil that just gives it that iconic smell. I don't think it would be a Lush festive period without this soap. Oh, dreamy. Returning skincare this holiday season is Once Upon a Time body lotion. It's got an amazing wicked colour. Oh, it smells so good. Fresh apple infusion. Moisturising. It'll glide over your skin. And it will actually, it will soak in really, really well. What more could you want? For all you Lushies out there that absolutely love Turmeric Latte, well, it's back and it's smelling just as great as ever. One of the greatest seasonal Lush fragrances ever. Turmeric Latte is grounding. However, it has really kind of sweet and creamy notes to it as well. This makes for a perfect perfume for one of those winter evenings. Just seasonal, delicious, and it's gonna have everyone asking you, what perfume is that? And then you'll be able to respond, well, why? It's Turmeric Latte, of course. So that was all of the returning festive seasonal products. And now, bit of a drum roll. First up in the new products is Lumpicol. Oh, it just smells like hot toddy. Perfect gift for when someone's been a bit of a d***, but you still love them. You want to get them a present, and you kind of want to follow that tradition of getting someone a lump of coal, but you also want them to smell nice. And the reason why it smells so good is because of the cinnamon leaf oil. Next up is Snowy. It's got bergamot oil and lemongrass. So it's zesty, fresh, and uplifting. Penguin. What a cute looking bath bomb with a cute little bow tie as well, and just the cutest little orange nose. Penguin contains bergamot oil, Sicilian lemon oil, and red mandarin oil, which gives it a really, really lovely citrusy, refreshing, uplifting, almost like a mood boosting smell. Catch me if you can. It has the same scent as Golden Wonder, so it is a delicious scent. For all you old school Lushies, and new Lushies, Golden Wonder and Celebrate is such a delicious scent. To me, it's nostalgic because it's been around, because this fragrance has been around for so long. This contains fair trade organic cocoa butter, orange oil, and ginger powder. Now, we might not be able to offer you 3 wishes, but we can offer you 3 different baths. The wishing lamp, a 3-in-1 bath bomb, the lid, the main part of the lamp, and also inside, it's got some powder as well, some bath bomb powder. This delicious bath bomb smells like never mind the ballistics. What a great fragrance. I'm very pleased to see this. Next up, the Reindeer Bubble Bar. It's a new fragrance, and it has this delicious cherry tart smell. It looks like the same colour as the carrot. It's kind of playing into that tradition of leaving carrots out for your reindeer. So how cool is that? I haven't smelled anything quite like it. It's really exciting. I don't know whether you remember the old Ipecac sets, but it's like the same kind of excitement I'm getting from when we open those to this one. It's new. Reindeer contains Irish moss powder, which is going to be silky and softening in the bath. I'm going to try this when I get home. Next up is the Golden Linseed soap. Kind of looks a bit like a crown. Not that I'm very deserving of it. Within the Golden Linseed soap, there are golden linseeds, golden caster sugar syrup, and olibanum oil. Now this is great for creating a really warming, softening, and sweet smell. Golden Linseed is a hand and body soap. So it's not just good for hands, it's great for the whole body. I look like royalty, don't I? I've got a whopping great big crown, a fantastic forehead, and I've got a lovely wishing lamp that's gonna grant me my 3 wishes. New to this festive period's lip care is the candy cane lip butter and the gingerbread lip scrub. The gingerbread lip scrub is super moisturizing and exfoliating. This one is candy cane lip butter. This contains peppermint oil, so it's a great minty, refreshing smell and refreshing for your lips. Next up in skincare, a Father Christmas sheet mask, a Snowman sheet mask, and some Snowball eye pads. It's best to show you when these are on, so I'm just gonna put them on. This is the Father Christmas sheet mask. This is calming and soothing for the skin. This is a Snowman sheet mask. Again, this is calming and moisturizing for your skin and is reusable. These are the Snowball eye pads. As you can see, I look incredible in them. Now this contains cucumber, which is incredibly calming for your skin, and also the carrageenan, super moisturizing. And you can use them with a face mask. You know, you can double up with the sheet mask. You know, scare someone. You can. I just want to give you a quick little update about when the new retro bubble merch is coming out and what products we have in the range. These are all coming out 12th of October in store and online. So we have the retro bubble merch t-shirt. We have the retro bubble merch drawstring bag. We have the retro bubble tote bag and the retro bubble socks. And we have a cute little badge and patch. I'm totally flipping excited for this, and I really want to get this badge because look how cool. Next up is a real reveal, and I can't tell you the date right now, but I will update you, the Lushies, as soon as I know. We have makeup bag in this gorgeous fluorescent green, and we have here, which I'm super excited about, and I think a lot of people could be very excited about, is a proper makeup bag in this fluorescent orange. How awesome is that? And then last up, which I think we can all agree, how frickin' cool is that fluorescent pink tote bag? Now, all of these colors will be available in all of these style bags, so you will be able to get this bag and this makeup brush pack in the color of this tote bag and vice versa. So how exciting is that? And this is a true reveal. This is upcoming soon. How great was this episode, if I do say so myself? We had new festive products, we had returning festive products, we had retro bubble merch, we had a real sneak peek into more merch that's coming soon. Let us know in the comments what your favorite returning festive product was, what your favorite new festive product was, what your favorite piece of merch was. Let us know where you found out about the reveals episode. Let us know whether you're from our Discord community. Let us know whether you're from our YouTube community. Let us know whether you love our Lush Reveals email. Tell us, we want to know. Thanks very much for tuning in, and we can't wait to see you next time.